Hi, fourth graders. This is lesson 8 of our Middle Ages unit. And just like last time, we are going to review that chapter we just read. So feel free to go back and reread that chapter with me again so that you can answer the following questions. So number 1, again, these are review from that last chapter we read about the church. The church chose the word Orthodox as part of its name. What does Orthodox mean? Number 2, the western part of the church chose the word Catholic as part of its name. What does Catholic mean? Number 3 asks, what is a pilgrimage? Number 4, why did most Christians hope to go on a pilgrimage? Number 5, how did monks and nuns preserve writings from ancient Greece and Rome? Number 6, true or false? It was important to keep writings from ancient civilizations. Number 7, what was the importance of writing prayer books such as the Books of Hours? Why were those prayer books important for Europeans in the Middle Ages? Number 8, we have a quote. Therefore, if you are not destined to become a craftsman or a merchant, then becoming a monk is a good option. Who is the author talking to in the sentence above? They say, if you are not destined. Number 9, what point of view is the above sentence written in? So is this quote right here demonstrating first person, second person, or third person? Number 10, we have another quote. Life within a monastery certainly is hard. However, you are assured of a place to sleep, clothing, food, and medical care, and an education. In the excerpt above, the word however is used to show what relationship between the two sentences. So that word however, what connection does that make between the first sentence and the second sentence? Number 11, we have a quote. You also vow not to marry and to live a humble and obedient life. What does that word humble mean in that sentence? Number 12, which was not a job monks did in the monastery. Number 13, we have a quote. Georgian chants are a form of sacred vocal music or musical speech based on hymns or passages from the Bible. What does the word sacred mean in the sentence above? And number 14 asks, what information is contained in this image? All right, that is all for today. I will see you for lesson 9. Have a great rest of your day. Bye, Adams.